We're going to learn a new word, and the new word is croquis.
Welcome to
Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class. Croquis is a quick sketch. In fact, the word croquis comes from French and it simply means sketch. It is also a template that we can use to design and sketch ideas. I'm going to show you some croquis and some templates, which is really the outline of the human body. And you can use it to sketch and create your designs. If you Google Croquis Templates, you will find many choices available to you. Some are free, some you can purchase, some are downloadable and printable. If you print one out, you can actually place it under a sheet of tracing paper like this and start sketching your ideas on top of the tracing paper. So you can use the croquis as a guideline to help you sketch your ideas. If you're pretty good at sketching, then you can just go ahead and bypass this technique and go right to sketching. Take a piece of paper and pencil and start sketching. When you first start sketching your ideas, you should spend an hour or two sketching what we call concept sketches. Concept sketches are very quick, fast sketches. They are not perfect. They don't have to be perfect. You want to get your ideas flowing, and you should sketch many ideas on paper, because out of all your ideas, not all of them you will like. For example, you may sketch 20, 30, 40 sketches, and only 10 will actually be usable for your collection. Also, as you sketch, keep in mind what fabric you are using for this design, and ask the question, how will this design work in this fabric? So for example, if you're doing a jacket, how will this jacket look in this fabric? Okay?